The Q-tips are used after I clean, and I could probably venture to say if I cultured that or send it off to a lab that it would come up with Pseudomonas. Anytime I smell grape or pink, have a pink on my white Q-tips, that's a sign to me that I need something to really disinfect this drinking valve, which I use strong vinegar, white pure vinegar, and soak them. There's my 2-inch washers that I use to attach to the wire, and I make a little and there's the little washer. I don't leave the washer ring or the filter in that strong vinegar for more than 30 seconds for fear that they'll dissolve or go away or disappear or be ruined. And they are quite expensive. They're not cheap. This is the drinking valve torn apart. This is my little tongue that the parrots or mama caws push down on to get their water. And this is the drinking valve that I use, which I like. It's stainless steel. This one here is 4 years old. It takes me 1 week to go from end to end to replace. And what I do is I have one made up here. This is the little door with the hinge that I use, and I attach the Parrot valve to this, and I have a stop valve that I use at the end of the PVC with the Parrot drinking valve, and after the stainless steel tubing is attached to the PVC. So I can swing the door open with this drinking valve on it to be able to replace it or clean or get to it, you know, see if it's working. And that doesn't mean that the hole that is in the cage that contains the birds is no larger than what this Parrot valve can fit into. In other words, my containment, or to keep the hole protected that the valve is in, is this door that can swing open because of the flexing tubing, stainless steel tubing that I use at the end of the Parrot drinking valve, as well as at the top. I use a T to attach this to, because at the top I have a faucet or bib that I can flush the Parrot drinking valve out. But this is to show the Q-tips are after I wash the Parrot drinking valve and brush it out. This Q-tip goes in there to show me exactly just how that alone does not clean it, that it must be soaked in some kind of a disinfectant. And you can see, I mean, I really like this Q-tip because it shows me every little color speck or whatever. And of course that's Dudley. He doesn't like me to be in my house. This is my hyacinth that he thinks his whole house is his now because he's, you know, it's his territory. Soon they'll be going out as soon as their baby, you know, is polled. Okay, this is Cherane Peffley from Heaven on Earth Avian Acre, and I am an avianitarian of the Wild Bird Conservation Act. If you're a keeper of exotic birds, if you have a facility with exotic birds, you are as well considered by me to be an avianitarian of the Wild Bird Conservation Act. This is the Parrot valve that has been in use now, what, 4 or 5 years, clean. I have ordered and used every valve made from every company, and each one rusts before the week is out. And this one here is 4 years old. It is the large Parrot valve, drinking valve. I don't sell them, so just do a Google search. This is very important, this little 2-inch stainless steel washer. As here you see, it is now on my door that I use. And now the PVC T, which is right here, has threads, upper, lower, and for the drinking valve. The threads for the top is for the bib or the faucet, and I suggest that you get the one with the little handle that goes on and off. I have the type that you have to wind up and wind down to get the water on and off. And this goes to the lower PVC, to the stop valve. Or no, wait a minute, to the flexi. Stainless steel flexi tubing I get from the plumbing department for hot and cold water. That's it.